Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you're good. This is Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. I am here with my planner layout. I know it's a day late. It was a weekend adventure. That's all I can say. It's a long weekend and a full day of just chilling and realized I didn't do my planner video on Sunday. So, Riley helped me decorate this. She picked out the stickers and the washi tape, and as you can see, it's got unicorn like cats and unicorn on an ice cream cone and rainbows and donuts and the washi tape. I have no idea, but that's what she picked. So this is my layout. You have to understand, my granddaughter's 4. So this is week February 15th through the 21st. That's that one and that side. And I haven't filled in what's going on any of his channels in this section itself. But let's see. We have on the 17th round robin, 7 Central, round robin on Wednesday at, I believe it's 4 o'clock Central Standard Time. Also on Wednesday, this is a reminder, I have a stamp sale at 7 Central Standard Time on my channel. It's my stamp and die sale. I have good deals. I hope you're there to check it out. Bima has a sale on the 19th. I have to get back to you on the time on that. Plus, she has a flea market sale on the 21st. I'll have to get back to you on the time. I'll have to get those times from her. So, I hope to see you all there. But please check out my sale on Wednesday at 7 Central Standard Time. Everything's $5 and less. So, it's good deals on them. Some are new, some are slightly used. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny. Be crafty, and bye for now.